I'm with Martin and Alex from the Be Nice project in Bolton. So I just want to say thank you very much, Martin. Why did you want to support Genuine Futures today and donate the tables you brought today?
Well, we always support a good cause, and your organisation is a good cause. So we're prepared to give you stuff for free because I think it's needed, and hopefully it'll give you an opportunity to get your office sorted and help the young people you're helping.
No, it's fantastic, and we know that there's there's a lot of young people across the town and young families as well struggling. They need help with your support as well. What is it that Be Nice focuses on? What is it? What you do, mine?
Well, we're a small charity, but basically we've been going for 15 years. But what we do, our main thing is food bank. Alex actually here is inside of me. He runs a charity shop, so he donates furniture and stuff out to families in need.
Good. And how do you see us working together? We're here at the Scrappers as well. Terry and Lindsay Walker here, the Scrapyard. You obviously with the Be Nice. We've got Recycle IT, Entrepreneurs Unlocked. We've got Elite Community and Boxing Club. There's lots of things, positive stuff happening, Martin, in the community.
It is happening in the community, but what we need is a bit more to happen with the help of the politicians as well, and actually the council. You know, obviously they've done a bit for us, but we need to actually get together and hopefully everyone's feeling got a little piece of a jigsaw, and we just need to put them jigsaws together.
Do you think the council needs to do more, Martin? Is that what you?
They're doing it, but the difficulty is
more speed.
Trying to find out who to help, and as you're putting the big picture together, it's only the council and the government who can actually put the big picture together. We've got our piece of the jigsaw, but you've got your piece, we've got our piece, and all the organisations in Bolton, if they can actually work together and have one goal, and the goal should be, as you know, to improve Bolton and make Bolton a better place.
Absolutely, it involves the people. The community is the priority. Is the people is helping people who are struggling right now, isn't it?
Well, there's a lot of people struggling. At the end of the day, like I said, buildings and everything else, and everything they've got, it's the actual people themselves and helping the families, and helping the families hopefully move forward. And once they get that one step on the ladder, you know yourself that they'll start flying, they'll start running, because then they can prove to themselves and the family that they've actually done something. And that's what's needed in Bolton. That bit of a hand up, as we say, we don't give a hand out, we give a hand up.
Not an hand out, an hand up. It's fantastic, Martin. We're truly grateful to Genuine Futures for the desks, for the office, for the We Shine Any Car project.